Here's how I took up my kitchen floor and easily installed some Wunda underfloor heating. I've wanted to do this for a while, but I always thought it involved digging up concrete under the floor, laying the pipes, and then having to screed over it again. But with Wunda's rapid response system, you don't have to do this. So it comes in either 20 or 16mm thick panel boards that can easily be placed on the original floor foundations. It's not just energy efficient and silent operating, but it's also compatible with pretty much any floor finish, from tiles, real wood, laminate and carpet. So now mine was delivered, it was time to get started. So I began by taking up my kitchen floor and numbering each bit as I went. So when it comes back round to relaying it after, hopefully it will make it easier for me. And now the floor was all up, it was time for the panels. When you order, Wunda draw up a plan for you to follow, so laying the panels is straightforward. And they all stick down nice and firm with some of this spray adhesive. So once all that was done, it was time to start laying the pipes. This was definitely one of the most satisfying bits of the project, as you just work your way along, clicking the pipes in the panel board grooves. And now I'd got my pipe runs looped round the kitchen and back to where I wanted them. It was now ready to fit the manifold, which is where the pipes will get the water from the boiler. Again, on the Wunda website, there's loads of instruction packs and videos that make all these parts nice and DIY-able. So once that was all mounted, it was time to pressure test it, just to make sure that there's nothing escaping anywhere before it's hooked up to the mains. And pressure test passed, I could now start relaying my kitchen floor. And that is one Wunda Rapid Response underfloor heating system complete.